Look in a mirror right now. Raise your right hand. The reflection raises what looks like its left hand. So why doesn't it flip upside down too? Why does your head stay on top and your feet stay on the bottom? Here's the thing. This isn't really a mirror problem. It's a brain problem. Think about a clock. If you hold a clock up to a mirror, the numbers scramble into nonsense. But if you flip that same clock upside down instead, the numbers come out perfectly readable. Same object, different flip, totally different result. A mirror doesn't actually touch left or right at all. What it really does is flip front to back, like taking a photo and reversing which side faces you. Imagine walking straight into a pane of glass. You don't come out the other side spun sideways. You come out facing backward. So, where does left and right come from? From you. When you want to face the same direction as your reflection, you don't do a front back flip. You physically turn around, like spinning on your heel. And when you spin around like that, your left hand ends up where your right hand used to be. That's the whole trick. Your brain isn't comparing the mirror to itself. It's comparing the mirror to what you'd look like if you turned around to match it. And turning around swaps left and right, but it never swaps up and down. Your head was never going anywhere near your feet. Here's a fact that reframes everything. Mirrors are actually symmetric on the left-right axis and the up-down axis. The only axis that gets flipped is the one going straight through the glass, front to back. Left-right flipping is something your brain adds afterward, not something the mirror does. So the real answer? A mirror never flips left and right. It flips front to back, full stop. Your brain just translates that flip into left-right because that's the only way you know how to face the same direction, by turning your body around. Remember that clock? Flip it front to back like a mirror does, and the numbers scramble. Flip it top to bottom instead, and it reads fine. Proof the mirror was never choosing sides. This isn't just a fun brain trick. It shows how much of what you see is actually your brain filling in a story. The mirror shows you raw, honest physics. Your brain hands you a narrative about left and right that physics never asked for. And once you notice it here, you start noticing it everywhere. Like why text looks backward through a window, or why ambulances write ambulance mirrored on their hood. A mirror never flips left and right. It flips front to back, and your brain does the rest. So next time you look in the mirror, ask yourself how much of what you're seeing is the glass and how much is just your own brain talking back to you.